Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the brake pads on Suzuki SX4. It will be the same for the sedan and for the hatchback and Fiat Sedici as well. It's the same platform, it's the same vehicle. So now you need to remove the tire, the wheel, five work nuts that you need to remove. Pretty simple, just take the tire off. Make sure, guys, that you use a jack stand when you use the jack. Don't rely on the jack itself. Okay, now this tire is pretty stuck, you can kick it, but if you want to prevent the wheel from being stuck on the hub, we have the video on our channel to show you how to clean it and how to prevent that from happening. Alright guys, what we need to do now, we need to compress the piston. There is a tool that you can borrow at a parts store, but with a flathead screwdriver, if you get between the piston and the brake pad, you can do it, but careful not to damage the seal. Don't put any pressure on the seal at all, so that way, because the used parts are thinner and the other ones are thicker, so we'll be able to install it later, easy. Now, in order to remove the brake caliper, we have two bolts right here with a 14mm socket. Okay, one is right here and one is on the bottom side, right there. So you need to take those ones off all the way, and now you should be able to pull the caliper out. Okay, as you can see, just like that. And now you can get a zip tie or a wire or something and just zip it up so it's not hanging on the brake line, because it's not a good thing to damage the brake line. So not to have too much pressure on it. Okay, just like that. And now, in order to pull the pads out, you go to the outside, and this is the outside pad right here, and the inside is the same way, like that, right there. Okay guys, now it's a good thing to clean those glides right here. Sometimes when you buy the new brake pads, they'll come with new glides, so that's perfect. But if not, clean those, because that way you prevent the brake pad from not moving easily back and forth, and you might have squeaky brakes. So just clean them and apply a little bit of brake grease right there, and that definitely helps, guys. Okay, and we got the brake pads from another parts car that we have until we order new ones, because the other ones were too squeaky. So now what we need to do, you need to go in the groove, install the inner one and then the outside one. It's the same procedure for both, guys, and both should be identical and not different at all. Okay, like that. And next thing that we need to do, you need to get the brake caliper and just install it there. And you need to make sure that you get the two bolts with the 14mm socket, install those and get them tight. Don't leave it, guys, for later. And the most important thing right now, guys, is to go and apply the brake a few times, because when you do that, you're going to get the play out of the brakes, because if you do not do that, you might not have brakes for 1 or 2 times pressing the brake pedal. So make sure you hit it a few times until you feel the brake pedal nice and firm, and not to be all the way on the floor. So that's the whole procedure, guys. All you need to do, just put the tire on and get it tight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.